I'm Dr. Terry Simpson. I'm a weight loss surgeon, wanted to keep you out of my operating room, and I always tell you about culinary medicine specialists, but the person who invented the field was John LaPuma, and this is his recipe. I ran into John because he and I both went to the University of Chicago, and we both give patients prescriptions of recipes on our prescription pad. This is one of his favorite dishes that I love. It's called his luscious garbanzo guacamole. Avocados, made from a healthy fat, monounsaturated fat, one of the richest ingredients in fiber that there is. And if you are a guy with low T, this is one of the ingredients you want in your kitchen and in your body. Everybody has heard about the anti-inflammatory components of garlic. It is not to be understated, and that's good in there. Capsaicin, nothing like bringing a little heat. This not only boosts your metabolism a little bit, but it adds spice to the tongue. Limes, healthy in vitamin C, a good antioxidant, another great thing for your body. And garbanzo beans, a source of high fiber and protein. And let's not forget extra virgin olive oil. Did you know that Greek pharmacists used to keep extra virgin olive oil in their pharmacy until about 35 years ago? It's that good for your heart and your blood vessels. Let's put it together. Curry is a great mix of spices that gives it flavor. The yellow color from curry comes from turmeric, one of the better ingredients and better anti-inflammatories that's been proven out there. And wherever you have yellow turmeric, you need a little pepper. So we're going to add both of those in. Rich, delicious, full of fiber and good food, good for you, and what a great snack. That's some good, luscious guacamole. Thanks, Dr. LaPuma.